Andrew Wilson told court that 15-minute video clips and about 2 hours of audio recordings were allegedly made on October 29, 2023, during a meeting in Geneva, Switzerland. He said the meeting was attended by Dr Kizza Besigye, Joel Wakaima, Frank Kihiri, and himself. Wilson earlier testified that Wakaima contacted him through his website and told him about an alleged plot involving Wakaima and Besigye to overthrow the Ugandan government. Wilson said he subsequently contacted Ugandan authorities and was contracted to provide intelligence information concerning the alleged treason plot. Wilson told court that he later secretly recorded conversations involving himself, Besigye, and Wakaima using audio recorders and cameras concealed in gadgets including watches, a USB charger, a power bank, a key holder, and a neck accessory.
We're talking about the videos and the audios from the meeting.
The recording devices were presented in court where Wilson identified them before trial judge Emmanuel Baguma. They were subsequently placed on the court record. In one of the video clips played in court, Wilson and 2 other people whom he identified as Besigye and Wakaima are seen holding Ugandan currency notes. Wilson told court that the three were discussing how serial numbers from genuine Ugandan currency could be copied and used to produce counterfeit notes, allegedly as part of a plan to destabilize Uganda's economy. However, only Wilson's back is clearly visible in the video, while the voices are difficult to hear. Wilson repeatedly explained to court what he said was being discussed in the recordings. The witness further testified that during the meetings he allegedly agreed with Besigye and Wakaima to train 2 groups of people. According to Wilson, one group was intended for political mobilization and coordination, while the other would be trained to carry out what he described as direct action before being sent to Uganda to execute the alleged plan.
That's Dr. Besigye. This video is from after the long meeting. Joe Wakihima, Dr. Besigye, and Frank Kihiri went out for a discussion.
Wilson also testified about another video clip in which he said he signed a memorandum of understanding with Wakaima. He told court that under the alleged arrangement, the imaginary Kurdish company he represented would provide weapons and financial support to a proposed shadow government.
There were 2 copies, one for me, one for him.
Who was the president name?
Dr. Besigye is on the right-hand side of the screen, and Frank Kihiri was off to the extreme right out of camera shot.
In return, he said he was allegedly promised access to banking systems and airports to facilitate the transportation of drugs and weapons. Wilson further explained that the recordings presented to court had been edited to highlight what he considered important visual portions of the meetings. He said sending the complete video files to Uganda would have required more data and time. The trial, which started last Monday, is proceeding in Besigye's absence after the court ruled that he had previously conducted himself in a manner that disrupted proceedings. The case continues tomorrow.